Hey everyone, it's CL, and today I have a flip through of my current setup for my 2022 goal tracker. And before I even started to put things in my goal tracker, I went through the exercise of writing down my manifestations of the things that I want in my life, spanning from career, finances, health. And once I was able to write down my manifestations, I was able to come up with goals that are action items to work towards those manifestations and make them a reality. So the notebook or journal that I'm using for my goal tracker is actually a 50-page 9x12 sketchbook. And for my goal tracker so far, I ended up using two books in particular to help me with my drawings because I lack artistic abilities. So these actually helped me a great deal. So not every page has a little doodle, but some pages, I think I did a pretty decent job adding a little extra something. So the first page is just a cover page, and I added like a floral theme, and it might look familiar because I did show this in a different video. So this page is my reading goal page. I actually created 365 boxes for the year, and each color is representative of each month. So essentially, I'm going to write down how many minutes I read that day. So some days I won't read anything. Other days I'll end up reading more than 10 minutes. But essentially, I want to read at least a total of 3,650 minutes, which is 10 minutes a day. So on this next page, I really want to push myself next year to make more effort to take advantage of the free tutorials, free classes that are available online. And I always think back to those college athletes that get a full ride to a really amazing university, but some don't necessarily take advantage of that opportunity and come out with a degree that's going to help them after their college career in sports is over. So my mindset is similar, that there are so many free resources available to me that I'm not taking advantage of. So on this page, I really want to push myself to take advantage of those free classes online. So when I originally made this page, I messed up and I didn't want to draw the grid over. So I cut out the grid and then I just glued it to a new page. So this next page is for my Poshmark. Next year, I really want to nurture my side hustles because they provide like supplemental income, and I want to continue to grow my Poshmark. So essentially, the only thing I have control over are my listings and my shares. So I made the little page to make a goal to do a lot of listings, at least 5 a day, and to share regularly. The more you share, the more opportunities you have for sales. And on this page, I decided to use stickers because I had a lot of cute fashion themed stickers. So I think it turned out pretty good for this page. So this next page is the only page that I've specified by month so far, and it's my healthy meal tracker. I'm going to try to cook more at home and eat more healthy meals. And then the little images on the side are actually from a coloring book. So I colored the image and then I cut it out and just glued it to the page. So this page is for my Udemy courses. I took a handful of Udemy courses last year, but I want to take even more this year. And as far as this drawing, this actually started out as a succulent. I was following a tutorial in one of the drawing books, and my succulent looked like Edward Scissorhands rising up from the grave. It just did not come out well. So I had to switch it and turn it into a coffee mug. So my art skills have not improved to the point where I can draw succulents. So hopefully that will improve with time. And on this page, I just outlined the things I need to study for an exam that I'm going to retake. And for this page, I went with an underwater theme. I followed a tutorial and made like seaweed and vines and plants. And I think it turned out pretty decent. So the next page is actually the last page I have in my goal tracker. I will add more pages down the line as the year goes on. So this is my declutter page. I have a lot of stuff in my closet that needs to be like sorted, organized, donated, thrown out. So this is my declutter page. And for the border, I try to make it super cluttered with all these little drawings. And I think it turned out okay. I followed one of the tutorials in the drawing books that I have. But throughout the year, I'll definitely keep you updated on how my goals are going, how my life manifestations are going. I hope good things are to come in 2022 and in future years. So super excited. But that's essentially it for this flip through so far. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.